Good afternoon to all our investors and traders. We're going to show a daily chart on the S&P 500. We're going to show a weekly and a monthly chart. And what we're saying is that this bull run has gone to the extreme up here on this daily chart without a meaningful correction. And, the month of September was an up month where historically September is not real good for these markets. But we're very exuberant in the moves here on the daily. And one of the things that we're going to say is that there is going to be that correction that's going to be coming. And it's going to be in the month of October. Today is 9/30 of 2017 at 12:59 p.m. So basically, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the next chart. Here's the weekly chart on the S&P 500, and it's been extremely strong. And one of the things that the investors and traders don't understand is high frequency algorithms, referred to as arithmetic, and how that the algorithms are done by supercomputers and they've just gone straight up. And this is a weekly chart. And when we hit that once we hit this red line, that's a 20-week moving average. This thing has been climbing forever. And that's what makes this such a strong move. But the problem that we are saying is that we've gone straight up parabolically, and you can see the breakout off of the 20-week. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks. The S&P has been making a series of higher highs all along. Now, here's what we're going to show you. We're going to show the monthly chart on the S&P, and here it is. And here's what I'm going to tell everybody right now. And what I'm saying is you better be ready to take profits. We're going to be going into a major earnings season, and I'm going to show you how overbought this S&P is on a percent DS. It's 97.13. The other thing I'm going to tell you is it's going to be impossible for it to stay up here. And that we haven't had a 5 or 10% correction, but we're in a new trading month and we're extremely overbought, and we're going to come down. And we have a major earnings season in the middle of October that's going to start right along with the third week of October, and things are going to start. I'm telling all investors and traders as of the very moment right now that there's going to be a big pullback, and we've called everyone, and we're so overbought at 97.13% DS. It's disgusting. And, it can't stay up here. These overbought movements, because of the strength that is behind the movement, it's going to have a reversal back down to test support. The 10-month moving average, which would be ideal for a pullback, is 23.92. And that's this blue line. And I'm going to draw a trend line that each one of these monthly upside, when you go right here, and we're going to hit a trend line right there, and we're going to hit a trend line right here, and I'm going to right click, I'm going to go to the trend tool, and here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to hit that zoom tool, and I'm going to want to just show you where this ascending move, meaning that each monthly highs, the lows are higher than the previous month. This was a doji, and that was in October that we're in now. We're setting up to come back below this. So basically, Darrell Range, no commitment. We just went through a major Friday, expiration Friday, and they just created such a big overbought area. We are going to be going down. And if I were you, I would take profits into the move. Because if you don't, you're going to lose a portion of those profits if you're in the markets and whatnot. And you can avoid it because we're coming down no matter what. And 97.13%, it can't stay up there mathematically. It's impossible. 100% impossible. And then we're going to talk about trading the S&P 500 call options and put options. That will be a separate video for trading the S&P 500 um, S&P 500 put options at various different strike prices. Once again, take advantage of everything that you can.